Good morning, children. All stand. Say the prayer. Matrudevo bhava, Pitrudevo bhava, Acharya devo bhava, Atithi devo bhava. All of you sit down. Take your textbook. In the previous classes, you have learned to write A to E. Capital A, small a. All of you look here. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Today, let us write F. F. First, we write standing line. Okay, standing line, long standing line, and then two short sleeping lines. One starting at the top and the next one starting in the middle. Okay? How to write F? Let us write F. First, trace it in the air, a long standing line, and then two short sleeping lines. One starting at the top and the next one starting in the middle of the standing line. It makes F. Okay. Adhyam da cheya? Standing line, two short sleeping lines. F. Then small f. Okay? Small f. ഇവിടെ ചെറുതായിട്ടൊന്ന് വളയ്ക്കുക. എന്നിട്ട് വീണ്ടും റൈറ്റ് a standing line, a small sleeping line, small f. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. F for fox. Sound of F is fur. Fur. Fur, ox, fox. Capital F, small f. F for fox. Fox is a wild animal. F for fish. Fish is a water animal. F for fire. F for fan. The sound of F is fur. Fox, fish, fire, fan. You write F, capital F here. Next, capital G, small g. The sound of G is G. G. Goat. Goat is a domestic animal. G for goat. G for gift. G for gate. G for girl. G for goat. Goat means order. Goat gives us milk. G for gift. Gift means someone. G for gate. G for girl. Girl means penguti. How to write G? G. Draw up big C and take it halfway and then draw a short line and make it stand. G. All of you look here. Draw a big C. Then take it in halfway and then small sleeping line and small standing line. It's called G. G for God, capital G. All of you listen here. ഇതിനൊരു എളുപ്പമാർഗ്ഗമുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾ 6 പഠിച്ചു, 7 പഠിച്ചു ഇല്ലേ? 6ഉം 7ഉം എഴുതാൻ അറിയില്ലേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? First we write 6, then 7. G. Okay? G. Draw a big C. Big C. And take it in halfway and then write small sleeping line, small standing line. G. Okay? Capital G. Then small g. How to write small g? First write small c. Okay. Small g. And small g എഴുതാൻ എളുപ്പല്ലേ? ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതുക g. കണ്ടോ? സി പഠിച്ചു, ഇവിടെ മുകളിൽ കൊണ്ട് മുട്ടിച്ചു, ഈ താഴത്തെ ലൈനിലേക്കാണ് ജി വരുന്നത്. കണ്ടോ? ഇതുവരെ പഠിച്ചതൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് 3 ലൈൻസിലേ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഇപ്പൊ ജി വന്നപ്പോ താഴത്തേക്കാണ്. കണ്ടോ നിങ്ങൾ? ക്യാപിറ്റൽ എഫ്, സ്മോൾ എഫ്, ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ജി, സ്മോൾ ജി. ഓക്കെ. Capital A, small a. A for apple, A for ant, A for ankle, A for axe. Capital B, small b. B for bat, B for book, B for belt, B for ball. Capital C, small c. C for cow, C for cup, C for cat, C for car. Capital D, small d. D for dog, D for duck, D for deer, D for dog. Capital E, small e. E for egg, E for elbow, E for elephant, E for engine. Capital F, small f. F for fox, F for fish, F for fire, F for fan. Capital G, small g. G for God, G for gift, G for gate, G for girl. Color the letter F blue in the picture. No, F. ഈ capital F കൾക്കൊക്കെ blue color കൊടുക്കണം. Okay. Join the capital letters to the small letters. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Okay. Do this homework and send it to me. Let me finish today's class. All of you stand up. Thank you, children. Say thank you, Andy. Bye.